When choosing between remanufactured high-pressure oil pumps, it's critical to consider the pump's remanufacturing process. During a competitive analysis, we discovered that 2 competitors' pumps showed signs of poor remanufacturing, including paint on areas of the housing that are subject to engine oil, reused core components, rust in check valve assembly bores, stuck check balls in the housing, and dirty oil in the pumps. To ensure performance, our diesel high-pressure oil pumps are the product of an in-depth remanufacturing process that includes inspection, tear-down and validation, cleaning, reassembly, and testing. Take this specific pump, for example. We perform a 100% inspection on all camshaft followers and replace them with new wherever required. We also inspect and clean each drive gear before reusing. To prevent leakage, we install 100% new, updated high-pressure discharge fittings and torque them to both factory specifications and the correct orientation. We perform a 100% inspection of both the front and rear bearings. If the core bearings are bad, we replace them with new bearings that are the product of a line boring and honing process. We reassemble every check valve assembly with new sleeves, plugs, check springs, and machine-lapped flanges and plates. Lastly, we paint the exposed top side of the pump to prevent rusting. The rest of the housing is left unpainted to prevent exposing the engine oil to paint contamination.
As the premier engine management brand in the aftermarket, NAPA Echlin leads the way in advanced automotive technology.